Our unique pyramid sea salt, very unique. It has a shape of pyramid, and maybe it's the only one in the world. And this is the way we produce it. So this is the place we gather the material from farmers in Bali, Singaraja area. We mix it with water, and there are several filtering and sedimentation process until basically we have salt water, which is ready for drying here in the greenhouse in these boxes. As you can see here, this is salt with water, and it has been 2 days in drying. So if you can see really closely here, you have salt floating. This is the salt that we're going to take as our finished product. Maybe you have heard about fleur de sel. Fleur de sel is high-end sea salt known in French. Basically, it's called fleur de sel due to the technique, the way the salt is harvested. Fleur de sel is harvested when the salt is floating on the water. So not salt which is taken from the bottom of the pond. It's a very delicate process. In French, basically for natural fleur de sel, if you have too much wind and then the salt comes down to the bottom of the ponds and you cannot get fleur de sel. But the idea, basically the technique based on the technique of the way the salt is harvested, actually our salt can be called fleur de sel. So you can see, we only take the salt which is floating now. The salt which you can see here, that lies on the bottom, we cannot use it, we have to reprocess it. And this is also explains why our salt has the same fleur de sel characteristic, which is subtle, delicate, and crunchy.
And what about the famous pyramid salt?
The pyramid salt is basically, after 5 days of drying, we're going to have various kinds of sea salt. We have the very rare pyramid sea salt. It has the shape of pyramid, but it's only about 10 to 15% of total productions. So as you can see, right now we have a lot of demands on pyramid sea salt, and we have focused on basically we have to make 1 ton of pyramid sea salt. It means we have 9 tons of other salt. Can you imagine? And also, for pyramid salt, during 5 days of production or drying process, 1 day without sufficient sunlight, then it will ruin the harvest. So can you imagine, we have 1 day with good sunlight, 2 days, 3 days, and the 4th days we don't have good sunlight, and then so yeah, it's a unique sea salt. We have to treat it like that. It's a unique sea salt, very natural, very unique. Has the shape of pyramid by itself, and so far I only know you have it in Bali. So yeah, that's the story.